And I think everybody is trying to get into the holiday spirit at least, but when you step outside today, you're going to be like, wait a minute, is it like September or am I in Florida?
I know, and it's actually not one of those days where you want to wear the ugly sweater. Not because of
that it's ugly.
Not because it's an ugly sweater, but just because of the weather. It's so mild.
Yeah, it's beautiful, actually.
And I know some of the guys are probably going to opt for some shorts and t-shirts.
Yes.
This is very mild.
There's always that one person, isn't it?
There's going to be more than just that one guy today, because look at this. We're starting our morning with temperatures in the 50s. This is very mild for early December, but it feels nice. At least we don't have to worry about the heavy coats. We don't have to worry about any snow on the ground, at least for now. But some showers are up towards the north, so if you are heading north of the I-80 corridor, especially closer to the lake, you're going to run into a few of those showers, and some of those could linger down into our region. But Pittsburgh is quiet. We're going to see our sunrise here in just about an hour, and temperatures are going to rise into the upper 50s this afternoon. We're going to watch for a few spotty showers this afternoon, so that's what this one green area is. And then you're seeing a lot of it as we push the timeline forward. Expect to have a wet morning tomorrow, and here's exactly why. Look at this on Futurecast. We mainly just have cloudy skies for today, and then we talk about tomorrow's forecast being pretty wet. A large batch of rain will start to move through, especially in the morning hours. So if you're watching us this time tomorrow, you're going to have a lot of weather to talk about with this rain. But by the afternoon, a lot of the rain will move out of the region. That doesn't mean that we're done with the rain moving into the evening. Watch this, another line of showers, and it does appear that some of those showers will likely affect us as we move into dinner time. It doesn't look like it's going to be storms, but we could have some heavy downpours around 4 or 5 o'clock. And then moving towards Sunday night into Monday morning, this is when colder air will start to move in, much colder air. So that could allow for some more of a snowflake rain mixture. So if you do need to get those holiday decorations up, today is the best day to do it before the rain tomorrow moves in. And then Monday, if still a few of those lingering showers will be possible, and it will be much colder with highs in the mid 40s. That is more reminiscent of December. So tomorrow, if you're headed out to the Steelers game, kickoff is at 1 o'clock. So if you're tailgating early, you're likely going to get wet. So make friends or bring a tent so you can stand under it while you're tailgating. You can protect the grill. High temperatures will be in the mid 50s for tomorrow, and some of those showers may be gone by the time the game is starting. We move into the next week with some precipitation chances. We're starting to use that word now because it's not just rain. We're talking about rain and snow for next week, with temperatures dropping into the upper 30s and lower 40s for highs. So that means morning lows will be around freezing, and that is cold enough for some snow. But that is not what's happening today or tomorrow. These temperatures are way above freezing. In fact, tonight we're only dropping into the mid 40s, and showers will start to move in, and they will take up most of the AM hours tomorrow. By the PM hours, most of the rain will move out, and then much colder air filters in for next week. Our best chance for rain and snow will be on Wednesday, and then we dry out towards Thursday and Friday.